We simply don't understand it, that we did a 19.6 on scrubbed and then couldn't on 2 sets of new tyres, better at 20.0, and the balance just isn't there from him. You can hear from his comments. So there's something that fundamentally is happening that we're not on top of at the moment. So we need to obviously understand it and understand why on the older tyre we're able to do that time, and 2 sets of new tyres we couldn't get anywhere near it.
Well, you're not alone. I mean, do you think it's some other cars up and down the pit lane have found that on scrub tyres they've been better around here? There is a new tarmac. Is that part of it, or do you seem to be sort of pointing to something in the car itself or in the car's setup? Because you have turned it round. It looked, as that Q2 performance, like you'd actually engineered quite a nice setup into it.
Yeah, Q2 it didn't look too bad. I mean, still the handling characteristics that Max has been talking about, but then Q3. There's something amiss that the others can all improve on new tyres, but we were miles away. So we need to understand that and understand it quickly.
Okay. Because it's the question mark of the paddock, isn't it? How a car can go from scoring 1-2s for fun earlier on and Max build up a 70-point lead in the Drivers' Championship to Max just not being happy with it. What's gone on?
Well, obviously we're looking at everything. We ran older spec last weekend to see if that redressed any of the issues at all, and the reality was we still had the same handling characteristics and issues with that beginning of the spec of the year. So that's given an awful lot of data for the guys, but a lot to get our head around, and we need to address it quickly. We can see the McLarens have made a significant step over the last few races, and we're now behind Ferrari and Mercedes here as well, so a lot to do. Race points are tomorrow, but obviously starting 7th and 8th, that's going to be tough.
Do you think it can be fixed with more upgrades, or is it just sorting out which upgrades work with which other one?
I think there's something that clearly isn't working on the car, we're trying to unravel that and understand. First of all, you've got to understand the problem, understand how to address it, and then implement it. So it's there'll be an engineering solution to an engineering problem.
Okay.